Guys, this is a part 2. As you've seen, like this dog moves. Let me show you again. Oh wait, guys. Wait a second, please. There we go, guys. As you see the way she's moving. Okay, guys, now she can see you. So there we go. This is our doll review. So there's a switch. You're going to open it like this is like this. There you go. And let me show you her dress. I mean her dress details. There we go. Okay, let me show you like that. Yeah, I like that. Like I can open her dress and show you. There's the light moving around, and you can see this is moving like that. Okay, she got there. It's just, you can barely see her skirt. So, yeah. Let's go off this. Oh wait! Please, Annabelle. There we go. So this was our Annabelle. You can see her freckles, right? Maybe. So. This is her dress detail, her top detail. Wait, there you can see. There's a butterfly. There's a sun over here. Yeah, that's a sunflower, guys. Sorry, I'm mistaken. I really like her dress. Oh, now I get it. Now I noticed. Now I realize that her skirt and her top are different. Like they're not the one, like they're not gown, they're like skirt and top. Look, this is the other sticky thing and this is the other sticky thing for top. So let's get to open Barbie doll. Let's get to open Barbie doll. This one is so big, guys. I guess. Does she even have any comb? I don't know. So there we go. We got our Barbie Dreamtopia. It's like Barbie Secret Door, that one. It's kind of like that, but it's not that. So you can see in our front, there's like try me sign, so we can, try me sign over here, so we can try it. Wait a second, guys. Now you can see. Now let me do it like here and adults. Adults. There we go. Let me show you like that. Maybe you can see. So there we go. Okay, guys. I think I got this. Don't worry. Yes, there we go. Barbies. There we go. Now you can see our, I don't know what. So there's a try me sign with musical notes, you see. Let's try it. Oh wait. This is like Barbie Secret Door. Isn't that, guys? Now I have an idea. So you guys can probably see what I'm making a video of. Oh, maybe I have more than it. Greatest idea for time. Oh my goodness. Guys, I just don't want it to fall. Actually, okay guys, you put, let's see that. Actually, I put it on. So guys, let me do it a little further so you can see probably. There we go, I guess. Now you can see like that. Let's try this side. So let's open this Barbie doll and look at her dress. It's like full of strawberries. And this is called Barbie Dreamtopia Sweet Will Princess. And yeah, this is the best one. With the lollipop, creamy, because it's Sweet Will, guys. Sweet Will. Look, 4 lights and sounds. So let's do it. I really like this tiny ones. Huh? It has 4 lights and sounds. That's good. And at the back you can see. I guess you can see. So there we go. Her hair is blonde over here, and it's showing how how her wand actually works when you put it down. Like here's written 4 lights and magical sounds. And yeah, there's Barbie Dreamtopia. She's wearing a tiara because she's a Sweet Will princess. And yeah, you can see the poster over here. There's Barbie and Chelsea, and you can see this me Barbies, and you can be anything. Anything is possible. You can be anything, Barbie. And yeah, discover Barbie Dreamtopia. Download the free Barbie Life app. Oh wow, that would be awesome. If I will do the Barbie Life app download it, so let's open it. I think I have to open it from a different way. That's good. I got the scissors on the drawer. In the drawer. The drawer is kind of tight, guys. There. It's a shot. Okay, let's do it. Please get. Barbie, please get out. Please. Elsa, I wish Elsa could be there so I can show her the awesome new Barbie Dreamtopia Barbie. Sorry guys. Anna is like so funny. Let's keep go. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Oh there, I got the sign. There we go. Oh, I guess I got it. Oh, get out. Oh, this is like so hard, guys. Oh, there. I maybe got her. Oh, what is over here? Who cares? Sorry, Annabelle. Ow, that actually hurts. Whatever. You try me sign. Where's the try me? How can I try it? But there's nothing inside. That's so funny, guys. Oh, I was doing that. Guys, you can see that. Okay, right. So there we go, guys. She's wearing her awesome sparkly dress. Wait, did she say let it go? Okay, I can also do that, Barbie. Really? But first I need to get out. Wait, Barbie. What is it, Anna? Look.